In this video, I will show you how to make resume for remote jobs, ATS-friendly way, so that you can apply jobs in abroad or internationally, especially Europe-based people. They can apply for many countries with same visa plus around Asia, who interested to apply international remote job. I hope this video will help them to make international level resume. First, open Microsoft Word. Then we need to adjust page layout and size. For that, go to Layout, select Margin. I am selecting 0.5 margin option here to make compact resume. You can customize according to your need in here. Then go to Size, select A4 option here. Now you can press Enter for smooth clicking anywhere in the resume if you add icon or similar things. Now select All. Select No Space option here to make the resume for compact looking. Now add name. Make it big so that hiring people can catch your name easily. You can add some color. If you want, for this resume, I am selecting this color. You can choose color according to your preference. You can give some twist if you want, like I am doing it, making one portion of your name bold or colorful. Now add basic contact information plus portfolio link if you have to catch the attention from the start. You can start with LinkedIn or portfolio website or link, or the way I add it. You should embed the link in the text or add the URL link directly. Press Enter, decrease the font size, then again press Enter. Now you can write targeted job title or summary or about or background, whichever you prefer. Make it big. For this resume, I am selecting font size 20. Font Times New Roman. Make the font bold. Now add border in here. Go to Borders and Shading. You can customize the borders, color and width according to your preference. Select lower and upper border. Press Enter. Now you can add years of experience you have, high performance keyword related to your job industry, and personal branding statement, plus top 3 signature achievement to grab the attention of hiring people. You can follow this structure or make your own. Write it precisely and wisely. Here are some examples following this structure. You can change this bullet point in here. Now add skill section. You can segment the skill section into 2 parts. One part for main general skills, core expertise, or core competence. Another part combining with technical skills section plus others and soft skills. Here are some examples following this skill structure. Here is core competence, here is technical skills section, other skill section and soft skills. Here is resume writing secret tips. Before you dive into write your resume, you should find the job you want to apply. Find 3 or 4 jobs. Read the job description 3-4 times carefully. Now find the important keywords plus skills related to those jobs. You can use this website to find important keywords and skill section from those job descriptions. Now add those skills and important keywords in your resume. Plus you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or other advanced AI to find out the main keyword and skillet and technical term required for that role, and utilize those in your different section of your resume. Write job experience section, mentioning following things. Number 1, company name. Number 2, job title. Number 3, location. Number 4, duration. Number 5, job description. Job type. You can add that if you want, like full-time or part-time. Write job description following 3 criteria. Number 1, what you do. Number 2, how you do. Number 3, what is the impact? Use action verb. Include keywords related to job description, combining technical skill, hard skill, and soft skill. Describe the method using technical or official term, and highlight your achievement, key contributions, how company benefited by you, or the results you bring into company using result-oriented metrics. You can highlight these bold points in here if you like. You can skip it if you don't like. You can add project work with project description. You can add hyperlink to project name to check the validity if applicable. You can add training section too, depend on your circumstances and job industry. Add education section, mentioning important things like degree name, university name, location, graduation year or passing year, CGPA if you want, For fresher, you should consider it. You can skip it if you have low CGPA and a lot of experience. You can add coursework if related to your job industry. You can skip this section. If these coursework are not related to your job industry, or you moving to new type of job industry that's not relevant to your coursework, you can add certification or award section, or both section in your resume. Add award section that relevant or highlight your job industry or mean something to your job industry. Don't add award section that's not relevant. In certification section, you should consider to add certification that you gain outside of your traditional educational certifications. Add certifications that has additional value in job industry. Those can be online or offline. Like, there are a lot of courses available in online. Some are totally free, some are paid, and those certifications mean something in job industry. You can also complete courses in offline or outside of your educational institutions. Adding those certifications can provide extra value to your resume, but don't add certifications that's not add value to your resume. Try to gain certifications from credential sources. Here I add some examples. You can check these pausing the video. You should consider to add language proficiency in different language if you have. Most likely English language skill if you want to apply for international job. Multilingual language skill can add some value in your resume. Like if you are apply job in Germany. Proficiency in German language can be a plus point to accept by local German company. Plus, some job requires multilingual skills. There are few credential language exams that you can participate to show your proficiency in certain languages. If you participate in those exams, you can add that too. Depend on the circumstances and demand. Now, you can add hobbies or interest to break the ice of the interview, or to know more about you. Sometimes this can be tricky and helpful. It's not mandatory. You can skip this section if you want. You can add volunteer work if you have those kind of experience that can be beneficial or can be highlighted in your resume. Sometimes it can help to show your diversity or more casual conversation in interview. It's depend what kind of job you are going to apply or job industry. Skip this section if it's not good fit for you. Now you can add these other or additional information section if you are applying for international job or remote job, like willingness to travel or relocate, citizenship or visa status, sponsorship required or not, availability, like how much time you need after get confirmation, others, like remote settings, compatibility. Now, using this same format, I make this resume, which is highly professional looking, top-notch level resume format, combining with excellent resume writing skill. You can use this resume format to apply international job or remote job application. Proofread your resume thoroughly to avoid grammatical and technical errors. Export it as a PDF for consistent presentation. Kindly like and share or subscribe to our channel.